Fuck this. Okay, can you believe that? Now, if someone told me this is possible, I really wouldn't believe him. This is just, look at them. They're like, I don't know, it's like, I don't know what to say. Look at that. That chicken probably thinks these kittens are his kids or something. And they think the chicken is their mom or something. This is unbelievable. Look at that. Hey YouTube, what's up? Look at that. I almost forgot about these kittens. So it's been a few weeks since I found their mom giving birth on the side of the road. And look how nice they are. The last time you saw them, they were all wet and slimy and small. Look how big they are now. So in the meanwhile, they made friends with this dog and that chicken actually thinks he's their mom or dad or whatever. He actually sleeps right on this corner or inside with them. That's kind of weird, but anyway, look at these beauties. Oh my god, they're so nice. Look at them. Look how playful they are. Beautiful, beautiful little creatures. They did start to get out and, you know, do the cat stuff. Anyway, I did get into a little trouble because of their mom. She actually got under the hood of my car a few days ago, and when my other dogs sniffed her, they tried to dig her out, so they did quite a bit of damage on my car. I had to dig her out and completely wrecked the front end of my car. I bought that car new 5 years ago. It didn't have a scratch, and now the entire front end needs a paint job. Imagine 5 dogs, 2 of which are Caucasian Shepherds. Both weighed about, I don't know, 190, 200 pounds. One of them was on the hood, the other one was biting the hood itself and the fenders. So they scratched up the hood really nicely, the front fender, the side fender. They also scratched the headlights really badly, so it's not good. Basically, I was in my bed almost asleep when I heard this barking and growling and, I don't know, strange noise outside. So basically it took me about a minute to get down there, and in that minute they just managed to do that damage, which you will see because I'm about to make a video on that separately. Anyway, I'm not really sorry about taking this cat in. Yeah, she did cost me money, but again, if I hadn't taken her in and these kittens, they would be dead the very next day because the place where she was giving birth on the side of the road was cleaned the other day, actually the next day, by a road mulcher. He does come around every few days to maintain the sides of the road and clean the vegetation, so he would kill probably all of them. And well, this is not something we want to happen, right? Look at that. This is just amazing and beautiful at the same time. Look how peaceful they are. And this chicken, weird chicken who thinks he's a cat or something. This chicken is actually my wife's pet. She raised it, she spoiled it to the max. She keeps him here in the garage. So that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for an update on these kittens and an update on my car, and there will be a lot more content. There will be farming videos, there will be, I don't know, welding videos, there will be fabricating videos. I have another project. There's just a lot of things going on, and I will be making a lot of videos soon, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like, give it a thumbs up, it means a lot. Also don't forget to share, because that would help me a lot. Thanks for watching, and bye.